All right, 750 subscribers. This is great. This is a big milestone for my channel, and I appreciate you guys helping me out. It wasn't that long ago that we did the 500 subscriber giveaway when we did a single Craftsman tool set. Now we're gonna do 2 tool sets so we can have twice the winners. This is great. So in this giveaway, this 33-piece tool set and this 61-piece tool set is what we're gonna give away. Again, just like last time, I'm not affiliated with Craftsman, I'm not affiliated with YouTube. This is something that I purchased myself, and I just want to give to you guys because I appreciate you helping my channel out, and this is kind of a big deal. I chose Craftsman tool sets because these are a great starter kit, if nothing else, and I've had really good luck with Craftsman in the past. I haven't really had a problem with them, so I think you guys will do good with them too. So for this contest, no purchase is necessary, just like last time. There's no purchase necessary. I don't need any of your personal information. You don't have to sign up and subscribe. Well, you don't have to subscribe to my channel, although I do appreciate it. You don't have to submit anything other than you just need to comment on this video. You can comment on other videos, I appreciate it, but if you comment here, what I'm gonna do is just like last time, I'll use a website where I compile all of the comments and it just randomly goes through and picks one, except for this time, we're gonna pick 2 comments because we got twice the prize. You have to be 18 years old to participate in this contest, and you gotta live in the United States. Just like last time, I don't know the rules of other countries. I really don't want to get in hot water with them, so we're going to stick to the United States, and you need to be 18 or older. The dates for this contest start right now, so on this video, go ahead and comment below, and we're going to go all the way until next Wednesday, July 28th. It'll be roughly between 4 and 5 p.m. Pacific time is when I'll do the video for that. Just like last time, I'll film grabbing all the comments and selecting the winner, and you'll be able to see that on the screen, and we'll do it live. Well, the video will be live, and then I'll post it when I get done, and so you get to see who the winner is. So that's all it takes, guys. Go ahead and comment on this video below, and we'll see you next Wednesday, July 28th, to see who the 2 contest winners are for these Craftsman tool sets. We'll see you then.